What's up, y'all? Yeah, yo, clap it up. Today is the official 10th video. Yes, and because it's the 10th video, I wanted to do something more special for you guys besides just sewing on a usual. So happy 10th video. I'm glad that you guys made it this far. I appreciate all your guys' love and support. Today I want to focus more on just like, besides just sewing, more like styling and like a little mini lookbook for you guys, just to see how you guys see all the clothes laid out from what we've currently been sewing, things that we've completed, stuff from the archives that you guys haven't even seen before, from previous models of clothes that I've made in the past. So I wanted to just style everything, get them all, you know, fitted out so you guys can see what it looks like to even be a part of the Black Studios group, what it feels to be a part of the Black Studios world, and just having, you know, a little taste of the aesthetic. So we're gonna get to that, and I want you guys to, like, you know, get excited. So without further ado, welcome to the lookbook.
I wanna live on the top with a mill. I wanna be on the block with the kill switch. Find my earn out to fail. She wanna see me with gold as my grills. Gunning it wide so niggas that's real. Find my earn out to pop some pills. Popping each try like these verses can kill. Switching my flow up, I do it so well. Money be talking, I do it so honest. I feel like the plague, I'm spreading bubonic. Y'all cannot touch him, y'all really can't catch him. I'm feeling like Ash, or headed like Onyx. Nothing can stop us, the team is so heavy, can beat up your roster. I'm feeling like MG on Monstars, yeah, I feel like a monster, ayy. Ayy, master this, my money, my flow, and I'm cashing checks. I hate you niggas who ask for shit, knowing you never should ask for it. I stack my cheddar, a nigga got clever, and make my own name off a ration. Niggas already been a rasher, nigga. Tired of fake niggas bragging. Ayy, I wanna live on the top with a mill. I wanna be on the block with a kill switch. Find my earn out to fail. She wanna see me with gold as my grills. Gunning your wire so niggas that's real. Find my earn out to popping some pills. Popping each trail like these verses get killed. Switching my flow up, I do it so well. Switching my flow up, I do it so well. Like how you popping that pussy for real. Cementing my demons, I think that they'll heal. I got some demons that think that I'll fail. I don't even know what's real. Asking what's next. The last one I checked, thought that gon' flex, ended up dead or in jail. I don't even know how to feel. I wanna live on the top with a mill. I wanna be on the block with the kill switch. Find my earn out to fail. She wanna see me with gold as my grills. Gunning your wire so niggas that's real. Find my earn out to popping some pills. Popping each trail like these verses can kill. Switching my flow up, I do it so well. I wanna live on the top with a mill. I wanna be on the block with a kill switch. Find my earn out to fail. She wanna see me with gold as my grills. Gunning your wire so niggas so real. Find my earn out to popping some pills. Popping each trail like these verses can kill. Switching my flow up, I do it so well, yeah. Living at the top, girl, I can't complain. You been on my mind, going off insane. You give me that brain, girl, I can't complain. You give me that brain, girl, I can't complain. Living at the top, girl, I go insane. You be at the top, girl, I can't complain. You giving me head, giving me the brain. I cannot talk, girl, I can't complain. I can't complain. Living with my life, girl, I can't complain. Yeah, you on the field, you loving my mind, I ain't on for free. I cannot complain, girl, I can't complain. Looking at my top, girl, I go insane. I give me some drinks, sipping on the rain. You tell me you love me, girl, I cannot think. I been at the top, she don't give me drink. Fucking on the op, you ain't on the same. You loving me, then I ain't on the same. Giving me that energy, I switch a lane. Girl, I can't complain, girl, I can't complain. Fucking with these bitches, girl, I can't complain. I been at the top, and I can't complain. You loving my mind, I ain't on the same. I ain't playing. I ain't playing.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the lookbook. I spent a little bit of time doing that, you know, dabbling or whatever like that. Besides just having the lookbook, what we've been working on from last week was the bags, right? I told you guys that I didn't have enough thread, and then I had to go to the store and get some more thread. I told you guys that I didn't have enough stuffing, so I had to go to the store and get some more stuffing. Well, now that we've gotten the stuffing, I ended up stuffing and sewing all of the things that we needed to do. So this is what they all look like. These are all the side seams stuffed and sewn out. So we have all 3 of these completed. And then I also went back into the pieces from the front and the back pieces of the bag, and I ended up stuffing those as well. So these are a little bit more stuffed out. These are the backs. So that's 1, that's 2, and this 3rd one as well. And then I also ended up stuffing the front as well, because you know I was already doing it, so I did it. So this is the front of 1, 2, this is 3. So you won't really see much of a difference, but they do have a lot more stuffing inside them just to give it more oomph. Some pieces, some parts, if you see from previous videos, they were having a little bit of like less stuffing in certain areas, so I just ended up stuffing some areas and restitching it up. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna finally start completing the bag and start putting the pieces together. So I'm gonna start sewing the side seams to the front pieces of the bags, and then we're gonna attach the back pieces, and then hopefully we'll have this bag done. All I gotta do that I haven't even done yet is attach the straps and actually make the straps. We have the straps cut out. All I gotta do is just sew it, stuff it, and then attach it to the bag. But what we're gonna do right now, like I said, is we're gonna work on the side seams. So let's get on to that. So what you guys just saw me do is I sewed up all the side seams together so that they would attach to this little box thing. If you saw the previous sample that I made, this was actually at the top, and I said I was gonna switch it and have it at the bottom and then have the weld pocket at the top so that you know you have the access. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna attach the side seams to the front of the bag, and then I'm gonna attach the back part to the bag, and then we're gonna do the actual strap. So I already got the side seams all pinned up. I'm gonna sew these on the bags, and then again we're gonna attach it to the back of the bags, and then it should be a little easy. Let's just see how hard it is to actually sew it, but we gotta do this 3 times in a row, so I have no idea how it's gonna turn out. And my little sewing machine is she not really, you know, she not really like the best sewing machine. She do her job, but like we'll see how strong, you know, she can. I mean, she did that one, so I'm gonna just give her the confidence and make it feel good, you know what I'm saying, and hope for the best. Let's just hope that it doesn't turn out bad.
And you know what's amazing? When you get older and you start to realize that the black sheep is really not the black sheep is really the generational curse breaker. See, oftentimes it's the person that's breaking the curse, the person who has decided to step outside of the foolishness and break it. Because what you can't do, and this is what I tell people all the time, healing starts with one of 2 things: breaking curses or cutting ties, okay? You cannot sit in the perpetual foolishness and change it. Okay, so that means that you got to separate yourself. I don't care if you go Bible, you see God telling people, separate yourself. Abraham, get up and go to a place where I send you. I'll tell you where you're going, right? So I don't care if you're biblical. I don't care if it's science. I don't care. They go away, right? Yeah. You got to go away so that you can come back and change a thing. Because when you're sitting in it, you don't see it well.
What I've worked on is the side seams. I got all the side seams laid out and sewn. I ain't gonna lie to you, I hated it. It's hard. So I got the first one done, got the second one done, boom. Then this is the third one. And then I also started working on the straps. So now I'm gonna do the straps, and then I'm gonna attach the straps to the actual side seams, and then we're gonna attach the back, and then these are gonna be done. But I'm gonna sew the straps and then I'm gonna stuff them, which is gonna probably take a little bit of time. So a lot of behind the camera stuff that I gotta do, and then I'll attach the straps to the side seams, and then we'll start attaching these back pieces. We'll start attaching these back pieces to the actual bags, and then the bags will be 100% complete. So yeah, they will be getting done today. I'm happy about that. Finally, these bags will be done and completed. So next week, like I said, what was it, March 30th and 31st, we'll be dropping the bags. So let's get that going. I cut out a lot of stuff from the footage. I literally was stressing and I broke a needle and I need to go to the store and buy some more needles. But before I go do that stuff, I want to go finish this bag because I'm excited. I want to make this sewing machine have its last final job. This is I just bought a new sewing machine, so I'll show you guys that new sewing machine. But before I even start using that new sewing machine, I need my little baby right here to do this last job and get these bags done. So here's what we got right now. I just have to sew the back onto the bag itself, and then these will be complete. I have all three of them ready and set. This is gonna be very intense. I'm probably not gonna record this stuff just because it is way too much to deal with. So I just want to get these done for you guys, and then I'll show you guys when they're actually 100% complete. But yeah, it's the last thing I gotta do. I attached the straps. They're in the inside of this. You can't really see it, but you can see the stitching right there and there. And yeah, these will be complete. Like I said, these bags are gonna be dropping this Thursday coming, because this video is dropping Monday. So the bags will be dropping Thursday or Wednesday. I'm not sure yet. One of those days, 30th, 31st. I don't know. I'm probably gonna pick the 31st. So you guys will have to stay tuned. 31st, 8 o'clock sharp. You know what I'm saying? To come get yourself one of these bags. They will be on sale. You will have to check how much the price costs. As you've seen from the stress that I've had to deal with, they're probably not gonna be a regular chump change. I'm babbling. Go buy the bag if you really want the bag. There's only gonna be 3 ever made besides this one right here, and that's never gonna be for sale. But yeah, so if you really want one, go ahead. If you don't want it, there'll be more products. But yeah, I'm gonna get the back of these bags complete for you guys so I can show you guys what they're gonna look like after the fact. So let's do this. What's up, y'all? Alright, so finish the bags. There you go. First one done, second one done, third one done. Alright, not gonna lie, it's kind of stressful for me to sew all that, but they're all done and completed. So again, like I said, link in the description, all that jazz. If you guys want to go buy them, I'm gonna drop them on Thursday, March 31st, probably around 8 p.m. So if you guys really want to go hunt them down, I'm only making 3. There's only gonna be 3 ever in existence. So if you don't want it, hey, there's no stress on me. But I'm gonna cut the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed the styling and all that jazz, as well as just, you know, the creation process. Like I say every video, if you don't even want to be a designer, it's fine. Whatever you want to do in this life, as long as you're consistent and discipline yourself, I hope that you guys be successful in life. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like it, share, all that jazz, and yeah, y'all take care. I'm done. I'm tired. Take a little rest. Yeah.